final stage in learning the JavaScript. So I hope this journey and this experience in JavaScript was very delightful, and I hope it will be very useful to put to your career path. So here now we are going to the stage advanced level. So first of all, in the advanced level JavaScript, it is nothing but it is some of the advanced methods are used in this JavaScript, and most of these are used in that. So that is the do Ajax. There are various different categories are used in this advanced JavaScript. So first of all, we are going to discuss about what are the topics we have covered in our previous levels. So first of all, in the basic level, we have covered the where, let and cons concept. Next, the operators like arithmetic, assignment, comparison and logical. Then the objects, while loop and do while loop. Then array and the function. So I hope this is very useful to you. Then in the intermediate level, we will cover the topics bitwise and ternary operators, array sorting, array finding and array mapping, and math object, for loops like for loop, for a loop, for up and for each. So and then switch statement and error handling, and finally async and await. So now in our advanced level course, we are going to see these topics like DOM, Ajax and DOM. So then I covered some of the interview questions that are repeatedly asked in most of the companies. So we are going to decode that. So now in our first chapter, we are going to discuss about the DOM concept in JavaScript. So let me explain first of all what is JavaScript DOM. So DOM, it has a full form like document object model, and it is a programming interface for web documents, and it represents the page so that the program can change the document structure, style and content. So that means it is similar to HTML. So here I provide an example. So now I open my HTML file. So previously I said that the DOM was written in the HTML files. So if you start write this JavaScript, you must have a knowledge in HTML. So here I write a simple HTML code. Inside that, here you can see the script tag. So inside the script tag, I write the JavaScript code, that is DOM.js code. So this document dot get element by id, and the new paragraph dot text content, new paragraph dot class list dot and the document dot body dot append child. So this is examples for using the DOMs. Each of these words can have a certain values limit. So okay, you have a doubt why we use this DOM in JS. So it is nothing but it is easily accessed and manipulate the tag, IDs, class, attributes, elements in HTML, etc. By using this commands. So this is the command document.body append child, then document.get element by ID. So that means get the element by their ID. So this is a command that can be easy to handle it. So now okay, here I explain this program, that is the document get element by ID. It is nothing but it is used to select the ID from main heading and change the text content. So that is dot text content. So this main heading was selected and this text content was altered in it. So this is a command. So then you can see document dot create element. So this document dot create element is used to create a new element, otherwise it create a new paragraph. So that is new paragraph dot text content. This is a new paragraph added dynamically. So this is a command, so it has easily implemented in this. So then document.body.append child. So this is nothing but it is also used to add a new paragraph to the end of the body. So that means if I add some paragraph, it will be displayed at the end of the body. So now new paragraph dot class list dot add. So this class list and add in this highlight a new paragraph and this app is defined in this styles. So this class list and add is defined to the CSS style. So here I define that add a CSS class to a new paragraph for styling. So this class list and add is used for styling. So now this is DOM concept. So inside this DOM concept, sometimes you have to use the event listener concept. So here, first of all, we see what is event listener. Now the second one is event listener. So event listener, it is nothing but it is this app automatically responds to the use in the form of the output. So this event handler is most of widely used in if you click the button, it will respond as a pop-up message. So in our basic class, I will say that the JavaScript is used to design for the front end. So that if you register something or register successfully or something, that pop-up messages. So all these pop-up messages are arised by using the JavaScript file. So now I open my HTML file. So here I write a small code by using the event listener topic. So that means I title this as event listener example. So now I create a button. So that is my button. It consists the text click me. So inside the script tag I write the JavaScript event, that is event listener. So here the document dot get element by ID my button. So this previously I said that it is used to select the element with the ID my button and change the text content. So now in this I need to add an event listener. So it can be declared as dot and event listener. So that event listener is now when I click that button, that function will be performed. So this means click is a function. So now I call the function that is allowed. So when I click the button, a allowed message will be erased, that is button clicked. So here I run this code. I just copy the part and open my So here you can see that the button was created with the click me text. So now I click the text, click the button. This page will say button clicked. So here this is a pop-up message structure. So this pop-up message was done by using this event listener concept.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!